Mental game on tour, there's pressure on every shot. How do you keep calm, stay focused, reset after a battle, especially when so many eyes watching? So obviously,
That's obviously hard. But there's one thing that I think I've been on tour. This is my, I want to say, my 18th year as a pro. Almost my 19th season. So I've been here for a long time. But I think the guys that actually the longevity is the guys that it almost looked at like they don't really care. Um, that's actually the way you should do it. It's not the way I do it because I still struggle with not getting angry, not getting frustrated over playing bad golf. But there's a couple things. The first thing that actually embodies it is to just enjoy just to try and enjoy what you're doing. So it's hard to enjoy it when you're not playing well,
mm.
obviously.